Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Smart Living. I hope you all doing well. Today's video is about NewRez Mortgage Insurance Solutions. NewRez, also known as New Residential Investment Corp., is a mortgage lender and servicer that provides various mortgage solutions and home refinance options. Here are some key points to explore about NewRez. 1. Requirement for low down payments. Mortgage insurance is typically required when you make a down payment of less than 20% of the home's purchase price. It helps protect the lender in case of default. 2. Cost. The cost of mortgage insurance can vary based on factors such as your credit score, loan-to-value ratio, and the type of loan you have. It's usually paid monthly as part of your mortgage payment. 3. Cancellation. Depending on the type of mortgage insurance and your loan terms, you may be able to cancel or remove mortgage insurance once you reach a certain level of equity in your home. NewRez can provide details on their specific policies. For type of mortgage insurance, NewRez may offer different types of mortgage insurance solutions depending on the loan program you choose, e.g. PMI for conventional loans, MIP for FHA loans, funding fee for VA loans. 5. Impact on monthly payment. Mortgage insurance increases your monthly mortgage payment. It's important to understand how much this will add to your overall housing costs. 6. Customer service. Research NewRez's reputation for customer service. Good customer service can streamline the mortgage process and address any concerns or questions you may have. 7. Customer service. Research NewRez's reputation for customer service. Good customer service can streamline the mortgage process and address any concerns or questions you may have. 8. Loan process. Familiarize yourself with the steps involved in the mortgage application and approval process with NewRez. This knowledge can help you prepare and prevent delays. 9. Payment options. Inquire about the available payment options, including autopay and biweekly payment plans. Some options can help you pay off your mortgage faster. 10. Loan servicing. Determine if NewRez services the loans they originate or if they sell them to other lenders. This can affect your ongoing relationship with the company. 11. Mortgage insurance. If your down payment is less than 20% of the home's purchase price, you may need to pay for private mortgage insurance PMI. Understand the costs and requirement associated with PMI if it applies to your situation. 12. Refinancing options. If you plan to refinance your mortgage in the future, ask about NewRez's refinancing programs and rates. NewRez Mortgage Insurance Solutions. NewRez offers mortgage insurance solutions to help borrowers manage the risks associated with their home loans. Here are some common mortgage insurance options they may provide. 1. Private mortgage insurance PMI. If you make a down payment of less than 20% on your home purchase, you will typically be required to pay for PMI. PMI protects the lender in case you default on the loan. NewRez can help you arrange PMI and provide details on the costs and requirements associated with it. 2. Lender-paid mortgage insurance LPMI. In some cases, NewRez may offer LPMI, where the lender pays for the mortgage insurance upfront and then includes the cost in your mortgage interest rate. This can be an option for borrowers who prefer not to make separate PMI payments. 3. FHA mortgage insurance. If you opt for an FHA loan, you will be required to pay FHA mortgage insurance premiums. NewRez can explain the specifics of how FHA mortgage insurance works and how it affects your loan. For VA funding fee. For VA loans, there's a funding fee. Instead of traditional mortgage insurance, NewRez can assist you in understanding the VA funding fee and how it applies to your loan. 5. Insurance options for jumbo loans. If you are obtaining a jumbo loan, NURES may offer mortgage. Insurance solutions tailored to these larger loan amounts, they can provide information on how jumbo loan insurance works. 6. Refinancing for mortgage. Insurance removal. If you've built up sufficient equity in your home, NURES can guide you through the process of refinancing to remove PMI or other mortgage insurance requirements. It's important to discuss mortgage insurance options with NURES directly, as the availability and terms of these solutions can vary based on your specific loan type and financial situation. They can provide personalized information and help you choose the mortgage insurance solution that best aligns with your needs and preferences. NURES Mortgage Insurance Companies. NURES, like many mortgage lenders, may work with various private mortgage insurance PMI companies to provide mortgage insurance coverage to borrowers who make a down payment of less than 20% on their homes. The specific PMI companies they partner with can vary, and they may have agreements with different insurers over time. Some well-known PMI companies that are commonly used by mortgage lenders include 1. MGIC Mortgage Guarantee Insurance Corporation. MGIC is one of the largest and most established PMI providers in the United States. 2. Radian Guarantee. Radian is another prominent PMI company that offers mortgage insurance solutions. 3. Ascent Guarantee. Ascent provides private mortgage insurance coverage to lenders and borrowers. 4. Genworth Mortgage Insurance. Genworth offers various mortgage insurance products, including coverage for conventional and government-backed loans. 5. Arch Mortgage Insurance Company. Archme is known for its innovative mortgage insurance solutions. 6. NationalMe National Mortgage Insurance Corporation. NationalMe is a private mortgage insurer that works with lenders to mitigate risk. 7. PMI companies affiliated with NURES. NURES may also have its own affiliated mortgage insurance companies or arrangements with specific insurers, so it's a good idea to check directly with NURES for information about their current PMI partners. The choice of PMI company can depend on factors such as the borrower's creditworthiness, the loan amount, and the specific terms of the mortgage. When you're in the process of obtaining a mortgage with NURES, they will inform you about the PMI provider they are working with and provide details about the cost and terms of the mortgage insurance associated with your loan. NURES Mortgage Insurance Pros and Cons. NURES, like many mortgage lenders, offers mortgage insurance options. Here are some general pros and cons of mortgage insurance to consider. 1. Lower down payment. Mortgage insurance allows you to purchase a home with a smaller down payment, typically as low as 3% to 5% of the home's purchase price. To homeownership access, it can make homeownership more accessible for those who may not have a large down payment saved. 3. Faster home purchase. You can buy a home sooner since you don't need to save up a substantial down payment. For competitive rates, mortgage insurance rates can be competitive depending on your credit score and the lender. Dear viewers, that was the pros. Now let us know about the cons. 1. Additional cost. Mortgage insurance adds an extra cost to your monthly mortgage payment, making homeownership more expensive. To limited benefit for borrower, it primarily protects the lender, not the borrower. If you default on your mortgage, the insurance pays the lender, not you. 3. Cancellation can be complex. Canceling mortgage insurance can be complicated and may require reaching a specific loan-to-value ratio or refinancing. 5. Not tax deductible. Unlike mortgage interest, mortgage insurance premiums are not tax deductible for all borrowers, depending on their income. It's essential to discuss the specific terms, rates, and conditions of Newrez's mortgage insurance offerings with them to determine how they align with your financial situation and homeownership goals. Additionally, consider factors like your credit score and how long you plan to stay in the home when deciding whether mortgage insurance is the right choice for you. Well, dear friends, I hope you liked this informative video and it was helpful for you. If you want to see such more informative videos, then PLZ do subscribe to my channel Smart Living and do share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.